If you're experiencing pending transfers on your Xbox, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for any transfers to complete. You can test your connection in the settings menu. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROCCon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Clear the system cache. Clearing the system cache can help with various issues. To do this, hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Then unplug the power cord, wait for a minute, and plug it back in. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox is running the latest software. Go to the settings menu, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If the transfers are still pending after trying the above steps, it may be time to reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Xbox. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.